Alright, YouTube. Today I'd like to talk to you guys about these Toughshell Milwaukee Heated Jackets. I love them. I love this jacket. It's great. Keeps me warm, everything. But, and as you can see, I've taken good care of this jacket. It looks almost brand new. But, a little incident today where I don't know how it happened. I went to zip my jacket up after leaving, and this one little thing had popped off, and the thing that moves up and down on the zipper to zip it up is missing. Okay, no big deal. I called Milwaukee up, and I called 800 Sawdust. Everything was good. I called them, asked them about the warranty. Okay, which this jacket is about a year or so out of the warranty, and but as you can see, this jacket's been well taken care of. Works great. But because of Milwaukee, I talked with Milwaukee rep over the phone, and they said that they cannot fix a zipper. An almost $170 plus jacket, they can't fix something as simple as this right here. The zipper. The thing that you have to zip up to keep, for the jackets to actually produce enough heat and trap it in so it keeps you warm. Yeah. See, jacket still looks good, everything's great. But yet, I asked them, okay, how much would it be for me to go in, ship this jacket to you guys? How much would it cost to get the zipper replaced? And they said, oh, well, we can't do that. We do not have the facilities or means to replace a zipper in one of our jackets. Like I said, they start at $170, and the price just goes up from there depending upon where you buy it. I've seen as high as $200, $300, and those places I wouldn't recommend buying. But the thing is, the jacket still works perfectly fine. But now I can't zip it up to keep me warm if I need to. The jacket itself is warm. I love the jacket. But the fact that, when you're spending that kind of money, it is an investment, Milwaukee. And I hope you see this video, because this jacket right here, it is an investment for the job site. It's not like I'm trying just to buy a jacket and it not be used. I can understand the jacket was 10 years old. Okay, I'm throwing the jacket away, going and buying a new one. But no, like a 2-3-year-old jacket, I would expect that to be able to get repaired. And, at least with something as simple as just this one tooth being missing out of this jacket. Because now the jacket's worthless. That's a lot of money to spend to not be able to get something, it just dumbfounds me. But, so now I'm out that money. I've used it for a few years, like I said. I've had it for about 2-3 years. But, now it makes me wonder, am I going to buy another jacket? And probably not. With as little as I was able to turn it on, because it keeps you so warm. That's not $170 is not an investment that I would want to make again for a product that's going to fail on me that quickly, like 2-3 years. I understand the warranty is only a year, but if I can't get something as simple as this repaired on a jacket like this, ship it in. You know, I'm willing to pay $50, $75, you know, charge whatever you want. But it's better than throwing away a perfectly good jacket. So Milwaukee, I hope you hear this so that we can and you can respond to it, because it was ridiculous being told by your rep that over your sawdust hotline that, you know, I could send it in, but they're just gonna ship it right back because they can't do anything for me. I buy most of my tools are Milwaukee, and you know, I watch a lot of videos on your tools. Shout out to the BCG Construction and all of them. They've helped you know, me and my tool purchasing stuff. But what can I do? Now I've got this jacket. It's practically useless now. Thanks.